Alright, so this is my 10-gallon all fry cichlid tank, and I put my red top in here right there in the back because it has babies too. These are all the fry that I had before. Some of the Mori fry in here too. They're the smaller ones, and the bigger ones are the ones that have been had. And so let's go in here. And this is my messed up 55-gallon fish tank. But I think they kind of like it. Yeah. And I put that fish with the babies in there. And yeah. Have a good filter for the fry and a good heater. I need to get a top for this, but I have a good heater too, and